Hey, let's dive right into this explainer on building a 4-floor AI system that actually makes you smarter.
Because relying on generic AI for writing, an MIT study calls that machine fog, the weakest brain connectivity.
So, to dodge that fog, we gotta stop building on sand. You need a solid intelligence architecture. Here's our blueprint: grounding, exploration, specialists, and workspace. Powered by Gemini and NotebookLM. Let's head up. Floor 1, grounding in reality with NotebookLM. Generic AI often hallucinates, like a brilliant lawyer totally faking evidence. The issue is our tiny working memory. It's literally like squeezing an entire mountain through a tiny straw. NotebookLM fixes this. It shifts knowledge into long-term memory through active focus mode and on-the-go audio podcasts.
2 million tokens. That's literally the entire Harry Potter series plus a decade of financial transcripts. Insane.
But raw power gets you lost without steering. So we use the AIM framework to guide it. Just assign an actor role, provide exact input context, and define a super specific mission outcome. Floor 3 is your specialist staff. Starting fresh with AI usually feels like talking to a totally random stranger. Gemini's Gems solve that. See, folders organize information, but Gems actually organize behavior and expertise. It's wild. You literally build your own custom staff, like a writing coach or coding partner who never ever sleeps. Top floor, the execution workspace. You know, switching contexts and fragmented tools eat 40% of your productivity. But integrating Gemini directly into your workspace relieves 3 huge pressures: friction, focus, and flavor.
Friction vanishes. You can just ask Drive to instantly cross-analyze scattered resumes and research. Just like that.
Focus comes back immediately. Join a meeting late, the AI instantly hands you private recap bullets. So helpful. And flavor matters. The AI actually learns your history, so it writes with you, matching your exact vibe. Wrapping up this explainer, AI completely changes the mechanics of work, but we humans provide the meaning. Relentless productivity isn't your ultimate worth. As Maya Angelou beautifully put it, you alone are enough. So, with this 4-floor blueprint in your pocket, what beautiful thing are you going to build today?